Good morning, students. Well, now I'm going to explain what is the first step you need to develop according to the learning path or the guide for this activity. So you have to go on learning, click on this environment, and please click on activities guide and evaluation. There you're going to find the learning path. You're going to click here. You need to download. And we're going to analyze the first activity. So as you know, this is the specific information. The first one or the first step is an individual activity that you need to go to EBook online content for English B1. So where is the EBook? Let's see. So you have to click on learning. Yeah, here. And this is the ebook. So you have to go there to develop some activities according to the guide. So let's see what you have to do after that. So it says, study the content of models 1, 2, 3, and 4 from ebook and do the activities proposed in it. So you need to study all the models we have in this ebook, and also, as you can see, the activity number 3 or the step number 3 says post in the forum the screenshots of the following activities. So from model number 1 you have to put activity number 5, 6, and 11. From model number 2 you have to put or screenshot, make a screenshot of activities number 9, 11, and 12. From model number 3, the exercise 3, 7, 11, 12. And from model number 4, you need to take a screenshot from activities 9, 11, and 12. That is the first step you need to do. After that, you have to go to the forum, as you know is here. And the discussion forum, you need one text too, and you need to click here, activity number 2, writing task. So please read the steps you need to complete and watch the video that it's gonna explain the same thing that I'm telling you right now. So click on reply, and you have to upload the screenshots you took from each activity. Okay guys, so I hope that you can complete this first step. So I'm going to check your participation in the forum, and thank you a lot for watching this video. Thank you a lot. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye.